The first details about the upcoming Redmi K100 Pro Max were outed all the way back in March, and today Digital Chat Station has shared some new information about the device on Weibo. The K100 Pro Max was said to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. The phone is also said to have a flat screen with a 185Hz refresh rate and large rounded corners. The Redmi K100 Pro Max is said to employ a new 200MP main camera, as well as a 50MP periscope telephoto camera that will be upgraded from its predecessor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The K100 Pro Max will allegedly have a battery with a capacity of at least 9,000 mAh, with support for 100W wired charging. Rumor from China claimed the upcoming Redmi K100 Pro Max would start at around 5,000 Chinese yuan. The K100 series may debut in October this year in China, whereas the Poco F9 lineup may hit the global market by Q1 2027. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.